Thank you very much, Joan. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this BioIT World Web Symposium on the topic of implementing and executing risk management systematically. We appreciate the large number of you who have registered and joined us today, close to 200. We may have more than 200 by the time we get going. And so in addition to thanking you, we need to thank Oracle for their generous support in underwriting the production of today's webcast, which has allowed us to offer complimentary registration and encourage and facilitate a very large audience, which is great, so thanks to them. You'll be hearing from our three expert speakers in just a couple of minutes. And as Joe mentioned, during their presentations, in fact, for the entirety of this 90-minute web symposium, we strongly encourage you to enter questions in the Q&A dialog box in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And we certainly hope to address as many of those questions as we can in the course of the next 90 minutes. If for some reason we can't get to them all, I trust we'll have contact information for all the speakers and they can take your inquiries offline. So you haven't tuned in to listen to me, so I'm going to keep this introduction very, very brief before welcoming our first speaker. The traditional model of transactional safety reporting is giving way to more proactive pharmacovigilance and risk management from clinical development through to post-marketing. This holistic view of a product's lifespan requires a systematic approach to risk management, but the industry is still struggling to implement the necessary processes and resources to remain in regulatory compliance and maximize product stewardship. So our goals in today's web symposium, we hope to shed light on some of those resources and processes required to execute risk management initiatives within an organization such as yours, and in the process clarify the differences between the traditional and more proactive pharmacovigilance approaches to safety reporting. We have a stellar trio of speakers today. Later on you'll be hearing from Karen Jaffe, the Director of Product Strategy at Oracle. And we're also going to hear from Sally Van Doren, who is the founding president and CEO of Biosoteria. But first, it's my pleasure to introduce our lead-off speaker, who is Dr. Alison Bond, the head of pharmacovigilance at Quanticate, a global biometrics CRO which is headquartered in London and Cambridge. Alison is joining us on the phone from Oxford, a town I know well. Alison leads the new pharmacovigilance services team at Quanticate, offering clinical trial and post-marketing pharmacovigilance and providing comprehensive surveillance throughout a product's life cycle. She's previously had a lengthy stint at Paraxel International, where she managed global pharmacovigilance systems for a number of biopharma companies. She has a PhD in the field of rheumatology and 9 years of preclinical research experience. Alison, we're really happy that you could join us, and you're going to talk to us about current trends in pharmacovigilance.
Thanks very much, Kevin, and welcome to the first presentation of the symposium. As Kevin said, I'll be talking about current trends in pharmacovigilance, and during this presentation I will try and give some background and basically set the scene for the other two speakers.